Wait till you see what this fill can do. Do you want a fill that's really simple and is going to turn some heads? A fill that you need that you can loop, but also a fill where you may need to land on the 3 or on the 4. Well, I got you. Let's get into this. If you don't follow me already, please do. I post regular videos on how you can become a better drummer. Hey, what's up? This is a very simple fill. It's 8 notes long and it's a linear fill. Don't worry, a linear fill should not be intimidating. A linear fill is simply when no 2 notes are playing at the same time. The fill, right, left, kick, right, left, kick. Bam, that's it. But if you skip this video, then you're not gonna learn how to use it, the ways in which to use it, and you'll be getting valuable tips. Learn this in the quickest, most proficient way. I will give you the examples on how you can put this fill on the drum set and play it flawlessly. Disclaimer, just because this video is less than 10 minutes long doesn't mean that you should have it down in that time. It's gonna take some time to get this, so please be patient with yourself. Feel free to pause the video at any time if you need to take notes, or come back and watch it again to refresh yourself. Let's play it now. The tempos we're going to be using for this fill: slow, medium tempo, and then a little bit faster to challenge ourselves. We want to get better, yeah? This starting tempo will be 80 beats per minute. We're going to play it once and then rest. Now we're gonna loop it, same tempo, 80 beats per minute. We're gonna build up the tempo a bit now, 120 beats per minute. We're gonna play it once and then rest. Let's loop it now. Got it? I hope this process is starting to make a bit more sense. Now let's do half time to double time. We're gonna challenge ourselves now. This is gonna be at 160 and we're gonna do half time to double time, okay? The great thing about this fill, it is so versatile. You can manipulate it to whatever you want, to whatever you need. So if you need a fill that ends on the 3, simply play it once and then you'll have 2 hands come back together. So that'll sound like... Right? If you need this fill to land on the 4th beat of the bar, you've got your fill, your 8 notes, and then you just need 5 extra ones to get you to land on the 4. If you need a fill for a bar, you can loop this thing all day long. The more you play it, the more ideas you'll come up with for it. And then you can really make it your own. I hope you're getting this now and it's making sense and it's fun. Okay, so here's a great opportunity for you now. Put on some of your favorite music and play to this and practice it. I'll play it twice. And then we're going to come in on the 1, but we'll be both hands together. This will be a half-time beat, okay? Play it with me, yeah? If you want to take this fill a bit further, if you want to challenge yourself a bit more, step your left foot through it. This is a really great way to improve your independence. It'll help you internalize it and it'll feel a lot more solid, okay? How to learn it quickly. The first way is you can literally do this wherever you are at any time. All you've got to do is just tap it out on your body. So say you're in the queue at the supermarket, you're on the bus, you're sat at home watching YouTube, play it once and then forget it. And then do it again and just repeat that process over and over. You're doing something, you're forgetting it, and then you're recalling it in your head. And before you know it, you'll be playing it without even thinking about it. The second quickest way to learn this is playing it from halftime into double time. Doing this method is great for you, as playing it slow, you're showing your body and you're showing your brain, yeah, I can do this without even thinking about it. I know this. And then you're testing yourself instantly. You'll be doing it without even thinking about it. Thank you for watching. I really hoped you've enjoyed this video and you've learned something. If you've got any questions, any thoughts, anything, please leave a comment and let me know and I will get back to you. Watch one of these videos on the screen that YouTube recommends that you should watch next. Take care and I'll see you in the next video.